In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply audience targeting in Google Ads, a crucial skill for enhancing the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns and reaching the right people at the right time. Let's get started by diving straight into the Google Ads interface. First, you'll want to make your way to the Overview section of Google Ads. This is your starting point whenever you're making adjustments or exploring new features. Once you're there, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. From this panel, you'll need to click on Audiences, Keywords, and Content. This section is where all the magic happens when it comes to honing in on your specific audience. Next, navigate to the Audiences tab. Here you have the opportunity to look at existing audience groups or create new ones, allowing you to tailor who sees your ads based on interests, browsing behaviors, and more. Click on Add Audience Segments to begin setting up your targeting options. This is a critical step as it's where you define who you want your ads shown to. This could be based on demographics, interests, or even specific purchase intentions. As you go through this process, think about your campaign. What are your goals? Who exactly are you trying to reach? Once you've considered this, go ahead and select the campaign you want to apply these targeting options to. You can do this by clicking the Campaign button and choosing from your list of campaigns. Choose an ad group within this campaign to apply audience targeting, as audience segmentation can also be done at the ad group level, which provides even more nuanced control. After selecting an ad group, you'll be shown another set of options. Here, you'll decide on the most fitting targeting options for your campaign. Take your time to explore these and select the most appropriate audience categories that align with your advertorial objectives. Once you've made your selections, the final step is crucial, ensuring all your changes are saved. Simply click the Save button to cement your choices and activate your audience targeting. Remember, this small step is what puts all your planning into action. By applying detailed audience targeting, you're optimizing the reach of your ads, which can lead to better engagement and conversion rates. Tailoring your ads to specific audiences ensures that your marketing budget is used more efficiently, reaching people who are more likely to be interested in your offering. And that's it. With these steps, you're now equipped to apply audience targeting in Google Ads. By consistently refining your audience segments, you can stay ahead of the competition and make sure your messaging reaches the right people. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful in optimizing your Google Ads campaigns. See you next time.